Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Your boy Dominoes 7 here, okay? Like to welcome y'all to my live stream on Facebook, okay? Live on Facebook. Day after Halloween, first first day of Thanksgiving month, okay? All right, so I must say, y'all, everything is good, and I want to tell y'all parents, y'all are some wonderful people dressing y'all children up in costumes, I saw all on my timeline. So if you have children, I'm talking to you as well, okay? I'm calling you awesome, and I'm calling every last one of y'all awesome, and I'm proud of y'all for that. I am extremely proud of y'all for that. You know. So I know I had this on all night, but it's cold out. I'm about to turn it off. Y'all want me to turn it off? There it is. Let's look at the thermostat. Mm-hmm. Look how it is. Y'all see that? Yep. I know y'all see that. All right. But it feels good in this house, honestly. I'm sorry, y'all. I got disconnected. I don't know what's going on in this house, y'all. But anyway, let's just say what I gotta say, okay? You know what? Uh, I said this on YouTube already, which is this video will go on YouTube as well, okay? I remember I told my mama, well, no. My mama said she was gonna buy Brock a costume, and that was like I think in 2016 or 2017, and my mama said she was gonna buy my twin brother Brock a costume and stuff like that. And I told my mama Brock is too old for a costume. I should have never told my mama that, honestly. Well, good thing it didn't hurt her feelings. But either way around, I should have never told my mama that, honestly. Okay? I should have never told her that because nobody's too old for a costume. Okay, even if you teenagers, y'all could never be too old for a costume. You're too old to go trick or treating. You're too old to be trick or treating. Well, it's it's a free country. Y'all could trick or treat if y'all want, even adults. Even though y'all too old to trick or treat, teenagers. You, you, so me, I trick or treats, but I don't get candy. I trick or treat by taking a walk around on Halloween at late at night and stuff like that. So next year I'm gonna do a show, a news report or whatever next year. Okay, so I'm going to talk to the parents and stuff like that. How do they like trick or treating and stuff like that? Because every child deserves to go trick or treating and get candy. But let me tell y'all something: do not eat too much candy. Okay, listen to me, y'all. You kids, do not eat too much candy. Don't constantly eat about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 candies like that. Because you know what? You will get sick. Because my friend Donna's niece got sick eating too much candy. She was just jumping around. She started coughing and stuff like that. I mean, I'm like, I said to myself, she about to puke. And then she was laying down. Then she got up, and I looked. I say, oh, I knew it. She was doing this. Her baby brother was blocking her from the from the restroom, or should I say the bathroom? And she was like, and then Donald said, let her go use the bathroom. And then I heard something like that, whatever to say. A little splash in the toilet, a toilet, whatever. Well, New Orleans accent. All right, so Yesterday, I hope y'all enjoyed the Price is Right Halloween episode yesterday. Okay, extravaganza or something like that. Okay. All right. I wonder what's the matter with this house. I was downstairs in the living room live streaming, and I got disconnected. Oh well. All right. I'll see y'all later. My next step is Instagram. All right. All right. Bye.